Good evening, dear students. Today in computer period, we are going to learn lesson number 3, part 2, working with tables. In the previous class, we have learned about how to make tables. Today, we will learn how to change the column width. To change the column width, select the column whose width you want to change. Then click on Layout button. Click on Properties. A dialog box will appear. Select the column option. Click on Preferred Width, and from there you can increase or decrease the column size. And after the desired column width, click on OK button. And the desired width is applied to the table. Let's know more. To change the column width, place the pointer over the dividing line of the column. When it changes to double-headed arrow, drag the pointer towards right to expand the column. Similarly, you can increase the row height as well. Now, splitting cells. To do that, select the cells and then click on Layout and click on Split Cells. Select the number of columns and the number of rows and click on OK button, and the cells will be splitted. Merging cells. Sometimes data is split in numerous segments of cell and you want to combine it in a single cell to give it a better look. Merging the cells provide a way to consolidate data in one cell. Means sometimes you want to merge cells into a single cell. To do that, select the cells, click on Layout button and click on Merge Cells, and the cells will be merged into one. Know the fact. In order to delete a row or a column, click on Delete button in the Rows and Columns group. Applying borders and shading. To enhance the appearance of a table, you can apply a variety of borders and shading styles. Select the entire table by clicking on plus handle. Click on Design, and from the Table Styles group, click on Borders. The last option, Borders and Shading. The dialog box will appear. Click All and color whichever color you want for your table. Apply to Table. Select Table and click on OK button, and border will be applied to your table. Now shading. Click on Shadings and choose your desired color for your table. Know the fact. In advanced versions, Word offers facility to add more fill colors apart from the colors displayed in color palette. Resizing tables. You can increase or decrease the size of a table manually by using N handle, but Word also offers ready-made solution to resize the table. We can set the table width based on the window size or convert it back to use fixed column width. Select the entire table, click on Layout, click on Auto Fit. As you can see, the three sizes will appear. Click on Auto Fit. It will adjust according to the text entered. Then click on Auto Fit window. It will apply according to the margin, and click on Fix Column Width. The column get fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cell. Aligning text. Alignment refers to the positioning of text in a table cell. Alignment is applied to the text entered in a cell. By default, the text is aligned to the top of a cell. Let's see how you can apply alignment to your table. You will find 9 alignments button in alignment group on the layout. You can choose any one of them. Select the cells, click on layout and select the alignment. Calculations in a table. You can perform calculations on a numeric data entered in a table. Select the cell where you want your answer to be appear. Click on layout and click on formula. As you can see in the dialog box, the formula is already applied, so you only have to click on OK button to get the answer. Click on OK button and the answer will appear. Tip: by default, MS Word calculates the sum of values in the cells lying in the column above or on the row to the left. To update the total sum in a cell, press the F9 key. So students, our lesson ends over here.